Welcome to the mix, and making it in today's news is Gracie. Yes, as she loves up her haters and send a message to them. Stay tuned for the stories in detail, and remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Gracie come out on her haters today, and in her message, she was clear in letting them know that they can't do away with her. "No dead can't bury me," she said. "I'm a seed, and Uno can't plant me because I will grow." So here is a glimpse of the clip with Gracie speaking to her haters.
Quick. So the president there with the holiday one in America today. I don't know where the holiday name today. Some have, I not careless like some of them empire, but have family. But I always have family now. Every holiday we meet up. So no run come here. Because I now make no dead fire feel like me afraid of them. Yeah, I come here though.
Oh, no, I use it.
Me I come here. Not over here. On the run come here nationals. Me have to do the live here. I make you angry around this so too much nice and excitement. No dead can't bury me. Me never see dead bury dead yet. No girl with dead to me can't bury me. I live in a bury me. Me is a seed, you can't plant me. Because I go grow. And I go torment you. Because you say you bury me, so I go torment you because I'm dead. No dopey, me turn no dopey how long can't bury me. No dopey, when the dopey up upon you how long, much months you dopey. Go back in your grave and don't come torment me. No dead can't bury me. No dead. So if you couple up and him come over there come look friend with you that you don't put out the recording when him broke out the window. So him come back friend with you and him come out yesterday and you come today. No dead can't bury me. No dead at all can't bury me. Dead can't bury dead. Dead can't plant dead in a grave. So rewind and come again. No dead. No dead can't bury me. Dead can't bury dead. You're dead long time, you're dopey. You are dopey long time. Dopey up the dopey. Dopey. You are sure dopey. Don't torment me. No dead can't bury me. So we now wine and come again. And the little box the way you carry come, it can't hold my body. My big and huge. The little sitting there for hold me. Yeah, idiot. The little box they can't hold Gracie, she come better than that. Nothing when you mince me up that can't hold me. No dead can't bury me. Dopey can't dopey grave. The nation of dopey can't dopey me up. None of them, no dead can't. Yeah, no come with angry face. No dead can't dopey we up nationals. And that must say. Because she thinks that Gracie gone. No dead can't dead kill me. Kill what? How comes? Dopey can't torment me, panya. Dead can't kill dead. Dead can't bury dead. Miss Jelly Ross. You put in 2 bread in your head so you feel like people afraid of you. You draw 2 crocus box string and put in your head so you think that people may be afraid of you. So you tap with your gel and them sorry for you and send it 2 crocus box string to put in your head like a braid. No dead can't bury me nationals. So I'm not sending me nothing about a dead body. No body pile but dead already can't bury me. Dead can't bury dead. When up here go, you
Please go like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel.
Hi Keisha, but up in there go this today. Eh? Not dead can't bury dead. To be continue. Because I can't talk the things that I want to talk it. So to be continue. Brighty. Oh, dead for bury dead. Duppy bat, how you for bury me? My soul come, girl. You get way through a family day. Through a family day, you get way. But you don't get way for long. I'm coming back. What a way I come out yesterday and you come today. No dead can bury the nation. That's not idiot. Or dead for bury away. Eh? Or dead for bury away. I live in a for bury away. No duppy can't duppy way up. You're not idiot. Nation has late, sir. No dead. Tell her, say, me say, no dead can't bury dead. She need to get, she not living. Nation has later. Bye. No dead can't bury we. A final word up. Bye. Yeah, my love. Yeah, we not dead. We still living. Yeah, we.